Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can stop your Aqua Optima Aurora machine from locking itself after 60 seconds. So by default, when it hasn't been used for 60 seconds or more, this will go from a white padlock to a red padlock because it's like a child lock. So I'm just going to quickly fast forward through the video now and you'll see that by itself, without touching anything, it will go to a red padlock. There we go. Well, there you go. It's gone there already because previously it was 60 seconds before I did anything. Now if you want to stop that, it's nice and easy to do. When it's in the locked position, like it is now, it has to be locked. You need to hold down this button here and this button at the same time for around about 3 seconds. So this is the temperature up button and the volume down. So we're going to hold them both down now. There we go, and it's done a double beep at me. Now when we unlock it, it will no longer lock itself after 60 seconds. So I'm just going to fast forward through a couple of minutes now just to make sure that it's not going to go through. Right, so you can see now we've gone over 1 minute and it hasn't put the child lock on. So that's it. And let's say now if the child lock is off and you want to put it on, all we have to do is make sure it's in the lock position before it will work. So we have to make sure that that red padlock's on, and again hit these two buttons. It beeps at me, and now when I unlock it, it will lock itself after 60 seconds. I'll just quickly fast forward through that. And there we go, you can see automatically the child locks come on. So it's nice and straightforward. You can disable that feature or enable it to whatever suits your needs. Thank you so much for watching.